Hey guys, my name is Ogo and welcome back to my diary. So I decided to wash my hair today because I'm about to make a new type of hairstyle. Length now, see length. But if you're looking at the shrinkage, the thing will just be looking as though your hair is just like 3 months old. I don't get it. So by the way, I went to the market, chose the colors I needed for this hair. It was quite a difficult thing for me to do, but finally I ended up choosing these colors. So I hope it turns out good. But originally I wanted like gray and color 30. But yeah, I ended up with I think color 28 and 30. Yeah. I think next time I'm just gonna like go with gray and 30 to see how it looks. Meanwhile, the hair came pre-plucked. Getting a pre-plucked hair will save a lot of time for you. Seriously, trust me. If you haven't tried it, just try it this time. But my problem with this particular hair that I bought was that it wasn't like hot water friendly. Yeah, it wasn't hot water friendly. When I'm done with this hair, you understand what I'm talking about. Next time, I'm just going to stick with the hair brand that I know because it did not come out as I wanted. But like, yeah, it is what it is, and I'm just gonna manage it for the meantime. So as I was making the hair, my other was busy distracting me, trying to make my life easier because he felt that it was kind of like boring braiding hair and just staring at the mirror all along without anybody distracting me. But that's by the way. So see the final look, guys. The final look. I am done. Yeah. Hey, are you feeling it? So about the color is not actually giving me exactly what I want. I wanted something very dramatic, but I'm not seeing any dramatic look here, like based on the color. So next time I'm just gonna go for like a brighter color on one side so that it will be very noticeable. Like I don't need that ombre. No, I don't need it. Looks more ombre to me. I want something very sharp, something that demarcates. Like I need a north and south. I need a yin yang. I need like good and bad on this hair. I don't need sisters on this hair, bruh. I don't need it. This hair just giving me sister look, like siblings look, like a Jima look. No, I don't need it. I need like what's an opposite. Yes, that's what I want. I want something very dramatic. So I was not sure trying to like do different packing, trying to pack my hair different styles. Yep, you can actually do all back, bring it out in front and stuff like that. Yes, so and on the next video I'm just going to show different ways you can actually pack a long hair. All right, so for now, bye and stay blessed.